We'll guide you through how to see the measurement of extrude in Blender. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To begin, open Blender and start your project. Next, select the object you want to extrude. Press Tab to enter edit mode, which allows direct geometry editing. Choose the appropriate selection mode, whether vertex, edge, or face, depending on your needs. After that, select the specific faces or geometry you want to extrude. Press E to activate the Extrude tool, then move your mouse slightly to begin the extrusion. As you do this, look at the bottom left corner of the viewport to find the operator panel, where extrude settings appear. Alternatively, check the top left status bar, where the distance in meters updates dynamically while you move. For precise control, type a number immediately after pressing E, such as typing 2 for a fixed distance. Press Enter to confirm the exact extrusion value. If you need axis control, press X, Y, or Z right after pressing E to constrain the movement along a specific direction. Watch how the axis value updates in real time as you move your mouse. You can also open the sidebar by pressing in, then go to the Item tab to view transform values. After extruding, check the new geometry's position under Transform, then Location, to see exact measurements. This helps you verify placement accurately. Additionally, you can enable the Measure tool by pressing Shift+Space and choosing Measure, which allows you to manually check distances after extrusion using clear meter units. This combination of visual feedback and numeric input ensures that your extrusions remain accurate, consistent, and easy to control throughout your modeling process. To refine your workflow, repeat the extrusion steps as needed while continuously monitoring the displayed values. Small adjustments can be made by undoing with Ctrl-Z and reapplying the extrusion using more precise numbers. You may also zoom in or out to better observe how far the geometry is extending in relation to other parts of your model. Keeping an eye on both the viewport indicators and the transform panel ensures consistent results. Over time, this method will help you develop a stronger sense of scale and proportion when working in Blender. Practicing these steps regularly will make measuring extrusions feel natural and efficient in any modeling task. Ensure you always confirm final values before proceeding further to avoid